I'm
Mm,
asking it to find keywords because I don't know one keyword from another type thing.
mm,
It's an
mm,
adjunct to the content.
mm.
Yeah.
Well, I nearly always find that with ChatGPT in particular, I find that often the stuff it gives me, I almost always have to reword it. And I keep
Absolutely.
saying to it, I want you to sound like a human. And
Mm.
it's even got in the memory, Sonia likes me to output to be human like.
Yeah.
So so it knows that, but it still don't quite get the humanness
Yeah. Mm.
of responses.